to get magma blocks in Build Your Base Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device, then open Build Your Base. Okay, after you're in Build Your Base, here you'll find Shop at the top right corner of your screen. Also, before clicking on Shop, make sure you're in Chapter 2. Only after you're in Chapter 2, you will be able to purchase magma blocks. After you're in Chapter 2, click on Shop, and here you will find magma blocks. You can simply click on it to purchase it. After you purchase it, you can add magma blocks and build as you want. And this is how to get magma blocks in Build Your Base Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.